Here at Gambling.com Group, our mission is to help online gamblers start their consumer journey with confidence. It's through the talent of our employees that we can achieve our mission. We are therefore excited to invite you to become a Gambling.com Group shareholder through our Employee Stock Purchase Plan, or ESPP. The ESPP allows you to purchase Gambling.com Group shares at a 15% discount. There are 2 enrollment windows each year, April and October. Once enrolled, you will automatically be re-enrolled each period until you choose to stop. If you would like to sign up for or unenroll in a particular offering period, you must do so in the approximately 3 weeks leading up to the start of the April and October offering periods. You can contribute as little as 1% or as much as 50% of your base pay on an after-tax basis. The plan has 2 primary limitations. You may purchase a maximum of 5,000 shares per period, and the maximum value of all your purchases cannot exceed $25,000 in any calendar year. Your payroll contributions are used to purchase shares in Gambling.com Group at the end of the offering period. The purchase price is determined based on the lower of the price on the first trading day and the last trading day of the offering period. We will then purchase shares using your payroll contributions at the 15% discount. Once purchased, the shares will be credited to your account at ComputerShare, our plan administrator, where you can access and, subject to Gambling.com Group's insider trading policy, sell shares at any time. For participants in the U.S., there's potentially more favorable tax treatment if the shares are held for at least 2 years. Participants in Europe should consult their tax advisor to understand if similar benefits apply. All participants are urged to discuss the tax treatment of any share sales with a tax expert prior to a sale, as Gambling.com Group cannot provide this support. Visit ComputerShare.com to learn more.